Hey friends, today I'm featuring one of my favorite products in our medicine cabinet, castor oil. I'll show you how I use castor oil to help relieve dry eyes, breast pain, menstrual cramps, and more. This versatile oil is truly a must-have. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant or Ricinus communis. You can find it as an ingredient in many cosmetic products due to its moisturizing properties and other skin benefits. People even use it internally as a laxative. However, I personally prefer using herbs when I need more moving power. Now, what's so helpful about castor oil is its effect on the lymphatic system. You see, castor oil penetrates really deep into tissues and actually moves lymph in those areas. And when we move lymph, we're moving old cell waste out of that area. It is this action which helps to reduce pain and inflammation. Now we want to make sure to source 100% pure cold-pressed hexane-free castor oil, organic if possible. Fortunately, it's fairly inexpensive and available at most food and drug stores. To help relieve dry eyes, I like to play on the oil's ability to penetrate into tissues, and it's been quite effective to simply rub a small amount of castor oil on the outside of my eyelids before bed. The castor oil penetrates through the eyelid into the eye, thus bringing moisture and moving stagnant lymph. A bonus is that castor oil has been used to help stimulate hair growth, and some use this to help grow longer, lusher eyelashes. Note that castor oil is quite thick and does take some time to soak in. Because of its lymphatic action on tissue, castor oil is commonly used to help relieve minor aches and pains. To help alleviate sore, tender breasts, I thoroughly massage and saturate each breast with a few applications of castor oil, allowing it to soak in completely before applying more. I typically do this before bed and will wear a shirt I don't mind potentially getting stained. Literally anywhere you have an ache or pain, try massaging in some castor oil. You can also use a castor oil pack, which I'll demonstrate in next week's video. As part of an ancient Ayurvedic practice, people would rub castor oil into their belly buttons to help with digestion and alleviate menstrual cramping, among other things. Well, I've personally been doing this for months and can attest to the pain-relieving properties of this oil. While lying on my back, I simply rub a few drops of oil into my belly button in small circular motions with slightly firm pressure. It's relaxing and gives me a moment to thank my body for her hard work that day. Most people tolerate this oil just fine, but it is possible for someone to have an allergy to it. If you're new to castor oil, try a small skin patch first to make sure your body tolerates it well. Thanks for joining me, friends. I'd love to hear about your experiences with castor oil. Like this video if you learned something new today. Next week, we'll dive into how to use a castor oil pack. Until then, I'm Leslie, sending you love and health.